Hey, so everybody here, Just Ron here. If you saw my other video when I unboxed the S20 5G Plus Samsung Galaxy, hope you enjoyed it, and please leave feedback, and please hit subscribe if you like my videos and want to see more, or if you got suggestions. Just trying to grow my channel here and need everybody's support to kind of do that. So, when I bought my S20, I bought it out of Best Buy. I didn't go to Sprint store or T-Mobile store now, but so for the first day I did not have a case, so I kept my box. So for the first day I did not have a case for my phone, so I kept it in a box. I walked around the house with my phone in a box for about a day. But thank you for Amazon, because they allow me to order it on Prime and get one here within the next day. So now this came in the mail today. Ta-da! It is a case, or whatever that's called, name of the brand. Simple but unique case for a smartphone. So I'm going to open this up real quick, and now I can actually use my smartphone once I get this case out of the box and update. It's right here. So this is a case. It is made in China, like most things are now. So we're going to see if it's got some good material on it. It has a little card in here. Let's start a wonderful journey together. Here with a high five. It's a high five. There we go. High five. Nice little protective case here as well. So now I'm going to the product here. I'm going to unwrap it. It's in this silicone weird paper thing here, which I'm going to throw to the side. There is a padding here. Made in China padding. Not sure what that's for. Paper, not sure what that's for. Now I'm gonna go unbox my phone. It's probably dying in here since it's been in this box for a day now. And I picked up the blue color, which is pretty cool and awesome. It has fingerprints on it. I could have cleared it off before, but I want to keep it real because I'm just Ron. So now I'm taking this case here, which is pretty. The case itself is pretty got good material on it. It's got thick, but very lightweight. It has the two prongs to the buttons here on the side here, and it's clear, which I really like. I like clear cases. People buy phones with different colors and they say, oh, I want the red or the purple or the pink, and then they put cases on the outside and you can't see what's what. So, oh, my screen's dirty. Let's clean that screen off. All right. Whoa, that's much better. So now my phone has a case on it, which is going to be great. It is Sunday, December 6th, 9:26 p.m. If you cannot see that, I will zoom in, zoom out. Oh, now it's 9:27 p.m. See? Time flies when you're having fun. So this case is pretty cool. It feels pretty sturdy in my hands. It's a little slick, but not too bad. Probably because it's brand new. On the back, it has the opening for the cameras here, which is pretty cool. So it keeps everything flowing. So as you can see, this case is pretty durable. It's really solid. Feels good in the hands. A little slick, but not so bad. I'll put a link down below in the description on this product here. And I think I paid maybe 14-15 bucks for it, which is not bad at all. They have the ones with stands in it. So if you want to watch your videos, like see if I had the one with the stand, I can stand it like this, or I can stand it like this, and also watch YouTube or whatever I want to watch sideways. And those are a little bit more, but if you look on Amazon, they're pretty good. I love Amazon, so it works out great for me. Like I say, I will put links and reviews on this. I want to use a couple of days first before I post this video, so that way everybody can kind of get my real opinion on it. If it's bad, I will post it. If it's not good, but if it is good, I will not post anything else other than the fact that it's good. I will kind of do some old fortune teller type stuff where I'll just assume it's good until it shows me it's bad. Oh, and by the way, if you look at the light here, It's a light ring I'm using, which I have a video for that as well. Please check out my channel. I have a review for the light ring. It works great. As you can see here, it's right on my video here. So go to that video, add comments, likes, subscribe, and let me know how you think. Everybody, this is just Ron here. Everybody be safe. And I'm going to post more videos here soon. And I would definitely like to hear your feedback, comments, and everybody be safe, okay? Take care. Bye.